Let's start to think about what you need to plan for winter emergencies on the interior of your building. If your building is sprinklered, you need to make sure, if it's a wet pipe system, that you're keeping the interior temperatures at 40 degrees or above. So you want to make sure you check for drafts and areas where breezes could get into the building, leading to a freezing on the sprinkler pipes. If you've got an antifreeze loop on your sprinkler system, maybe this would be the time to bring in your sprinkler service company to refresh that antifreeze in that portion of the sprinkler system. And in areas that have a dry pipe system for your sprinkler system, areas that are low should be drained or re-sloped so that there is no pooling of water during the colder months that could freeze and then impede the operation of the sprinkler system. One other thing to check is the water motor gongs that might be above the risers in the sprinkler room of your plant. Those should be drained to make sure that they'll function during cold weather. Some companies will wrap their risers with heat tape. Others will build a heated enclosure around the risers to help prevent freezing. I'm prone to seeing sprinkler rooms have a camera installed with a thermometer that you can see if it's cold in that area and respond accordingly. So we're inside the pole barn at Upland Hills, and as you can see, it is an older pole barn structure. And as I'm looking around at the wood trusses, I'm looking for water damage, holes, or any other defects that could lead to a structural collapse. As you can tell up in the video, the skylight has several small holes which could allow for water infiltration. These need to be corrected, and you need to set up a procedure to do these tasks before winter hits and prevents significant damage to your building and the equipment inside. Another area you want to look at is for damaged members on the wood truss. When those are discovered, you need to check with your truss manufacturer on the proper repair procedures. I'm looking for cracks, deformation, splits, or plates that are pulling away. All these things should be properly repaired following the truss manufacturer's recommendations. There's a little bit of water damage on the roof, which is related to condensation on the metal decking, but I don't think structurally that's any significant issue. One thing I did discover looking up here is that carpenter bees have made a couple boreholes in the trusses, and if there's too many of those, I might have to suggest some repairs to be made. I've given you information from a high-level standpoint for both interior and exterior winter pre-planning to help eliminate a catastrophic loss for your operation. All of these things, when done together with proper pre-planning, will help maintain your business in an efficient manner, even during severe weather, and prevent business interruption.